guys, welcome to an overview video of our Victron installation. This is our solar arrays. We got about 10 kilowatt of solar in total. What you're looking at the moment is the 5 kilowatt array. They're 2.5 each. These are 500 watt art solar black monocrystalline panels. They each are wired in 2.5 kilowatt strings and managed by individual Victron MPPT 250 volt 100 amp charge controllers. You can see that there's some droppings on one of the panels. We try to clean them every 6 months or so. These panels are north facing at the moment, and they produce the bulk of the power. And in picture now will be these are the 380 watt art solar monocrystalline panels. There are 12 of them, and these are northeast facing. These make a fair amount of power during the mornings, and as the sun moves in front of the building, the 5 kilowatt array starts producing a bulk of the power. You can see we've left some extra rails. We probably going to add more panels in the near future. So on the inverter side, we're running 3 inverters in parallel, 3000 watt 24 volt inverters. They give you a maximum output of about 7.2 kilowatt hours. That's the safe continuous voltage. It'll probably spike to about 9. We're running 3 250 volt 100 amp charge controllers on a VE network. One charge controller is currently managing 12 panels. We haven't had the 4th controller put in yet. We've got surge protection with the dedicated earth, slave and master units. We've decided to go with the individual AC distribution boards for each inverter. We're running temperature control in the room. This room gets very hot on a hot day. Can get up to about 45 degrees. We try and keep it to about 21 with an air conditioner inside. We're running the Gene Miller battery disconnects for each inverter. On the DC side, we've also running bus bars for DC. You can see we 3D printed a battery shunt box to home the battery shunt. 50mm cable. We got a Victron color control unit that's managing the ESS for us with a battery monitor BMV. Still running lead acids for now. We hope to move that into lithium as the air conditioner that's cooling down this room. A bit counterintuitive, you might think, but it's making enough power for us to run the air conditioner as well. We're making about 45 to 50 kilowatt hours of solar on a fairly normal day. Today is quite overcast. Contrary to the solar panels you've seen, it's been taken on another day. But today is an overcast day, and it's doing about 3,000 or 4,000 watts. So the system's been running for about 6 months, no issues. You may think, why did we go 24 volt? I started the project in 2016, 2017. 24 volt units were much easier to source at the time. And I've managed to get the matching model and part numbers so I can go parallel. If I had to do this all over again, I'd probably go 48 volt, simply because you can use low gauge cable, and there's a larger variety and opportunity for 48 volt lithium batteries. However, there's nothing wrong with the 24 volt systems. We have a spare unit which we could plug in if something breaks, or we could just add another 2.4 kilowatt hours to our build. But yeah, so far so good. Yeah, we'll keep you posted on any changes to the build later on.